Let's see how to easily create custom stickers for WhatsApp. All you have to need, go to your WhatsApp and go to a chat or conversation. From the chat or conversation, tap on this sticker icon next to message and here select sticker. Now tap on this create sticker icon and now from your gallery select an image, which image you want to use to make a new sticker. And here you see two different options to make a new sticker. You can select this option or this option. So I'm selecting this option for example. Now if you want to add text to your sticker, tap on this A icon and now you can just write your text and you can change your text style as well. You can change your text color. And we can see the text add date. You can resize or reposition the text just like this. And if you want to add an emoji to your new sticker, tap on this sticker or emoji and you can add something from here just like this. You can pinch fingers to make the sticker large or small. You can tap on this pencil icon to draw something here just like this. Once you're happy, tap on done and tap on the send icon and we can see the sticker sent and we can see the new sticker successfully created. Thanks for watching.